Hello student, today we'll start a new unit of class 12th biology, and that unit is genetics and evolution. And in this unit we study about genetics and evolution. In this unit there are 3 chapters. The first one, that is the genetics, in which we study about the inheritance and the principle of inheritance, the laws of Mendel's. In the second chapter, that second chapter is molecular basis of inheritance. In this chapter, molecular basis of inheritance, in this chapter we study about the molecules like DNA and RNA. And in this chapter we also study about the transcription, translation, etc. And the third chapter is evolution. In this chapter we study about the evolution and their theories. Now we'll take a new chapter, and this chapter name is actually genetics. Now the question is that the chapter is genetics. Now the question is that who is the father of genetics? Father of genetics is actually Gregor John Mendel. What about the birth year of Gregor John Mendel? The birth year of Gregor John Mendel is 1822. Second of July. तो बर्थ ईयर की बात करते हैं तो बर्थ ईयर इनका क्या है? 22 of July 1822. Actually he did his work on pea plant. Pea plant, that is the common name, and the botanical name of pea plant, that is Pisum sativum. तो इन्होंने अपने वर्क के लिए किस प्लांट को चूज़ किया? वो प्लांट था पी प्लांट, और पी प्लांट का बॉटनिकल नेम होता है पाइसम सेटाइवम. बट हिज वर्क वॉज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ड्यूरिंग हिज लाइफ. उनकी लाइफ पीरियड में इनके वर्क को एक्चुअली रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया गया. इनके वर्क को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया गया. इनकी डेथ के 16 ईयर्स बाद इनकी वर्क को रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया बाय 3 साइंटिस्ट. तो इनका जो डेथ ईयर था वो क्या था? डेथ ईयर वाज 1884. 16 ईयर्स आफ्टर his death, 3 scientists rediscovered his work. And what about that scientist name? Hugo de Vries, Correns, and शेनमार्क. तो ये तीनों साइंटिस्ट ने मिलकर इनके वर्क को रीडिस्कवर्ड किया, और आफ्टर 16 ईयर तब इनका वर्क रिकॉग्नाइज हुआ.